In this session, let us go with the creation of polygons. In the Polygons toolbar, we have totally 4 options to create polygons. The first one is the place block option. Select this and click over here. In this way, create a rectangle and finish it. Right now, the fill type is set to opaque. That is the reason you are getting a filled in rectangle. Let us set it to none, and now when you create a rectangle, you will be getting the default rectangle in this way. Let me delete this. Right. Now this is your place block option. Place block option. Select it, and now for the next point, you can give the dimensions of the rectangle as well. Say you want the rectangle to be some 150 degrees in the 150 units in the x direction and 100 units in the y direction. So you can specify those dimensions in your AccuDraw. Currently your AccuDraw has been docked at the bottom. This is your AccuDraw. We can dock it at the bottom in this way. And now I'll give the x distance as 150, enter, and the y distance as 75, enter, and left click. In this way we can place this rectangle. Now along the horizontal this is 150, vertical it is 75. I can select the place block option, select it, draw it in this way, in this way. This is currently the orthogonal mode. We can also place this rectangle, that is the block, by using the rotated option. Click on rotated and now select the first point, and the second point need not be horizontal. You can have the second point inclined as well. If you have it inclined in this way, this will act as the base of the block in this way. Next, place it over here. In this way you can draw a rotated rectangle or an inclined rectangle. Let me draw it over here, and in this way I'm getting a rotated rectangle in this. That is the rotated option. Next, this option is the same used for patterns, solid and whole. You cannot pattern a whole object, you can only pattern a solid object. So select solid and then create the rectangle. Then we can pattern this kind of a rectangle. If you create it using the whole option, you won't be able to pattern this solid later on. Alright. The next one, we have already seen this as well. That is none, opaque, and outline. Right now it is set to none. Click on opaque and you can fill the color. So this color and in this way. Let me choose the normal orthogonal way, and now I'll go with the outline option. Select it and draw it like this. Now the outline color is this green color and the inside color is white color, the one which we have chosen over here. You can select some other color over here and some other color over here as well, in this way. Now you can see the two colors. This is the magenta color, color number 21, and this is the green color, number 2. Okay, so this is your place block option. The next one over here, let me close this, select all and hit delete button on your keyboard. The next one over here is place shape option. Select place shape, and now you can click over here in this way, in this way. Let us go with the none option over here as well. And when you close this figure, the shape completes. That is nothing but you can draw your own polygon in this way with any number of sides. When you close it, you will be coming out of the command. That is your place shape option. You can also specify the dimensions over here or the dimensions using your AccuDraw. Okay. The next one after place shape is the orthogonal shape option. There is a little difference between both of them. Select the orthogonal shape option, and now I'm trying to create a polygon over here. Select this point, select this line, and now I'll be only getting the line perpendicular to my already drawn line. I cannot get it in any direction, any zigzag direction like we did earlier. I'll have to go with perpendicular direction. That is the reason it is referred to as orthogonal shape. Select it over here in this way, in this, and click on this point to get it till there and place it back over here. After that, right click to come out of the command. This is how you can place this object. Let me change the color by level. Now over here I'll go in this direction, and now I can only move along that direction perpendicular to that, in this way, in this. And now if I want it till here, I can click on this. I'll be getting this point till there. Next, click on this again. In this way you'll be using the place orthogonal shape option. You go with select all and delete. Now the next option is place regular polygon. Click on this, and right now over here you have three options: inscribed, circumscribed, and by edge. Select the first option, inscribed. I'm selecting this as the center point and go vertically down. You'll be getting the polygon in this way. This is your inscribed option. Click on circumscribed. Again select the center point over here, and now go vertically down. You'll be getting the polygon in this way. This is the circumscribed method of drawing the polygon. Usually these two terms, inscribed and circumscribed, refer to the existence of this polygon within a circle or outside the circle. I'll show you over here with an example. That is, first we'll be drawing a circle over here. From here I'll select the circle option, and let me draw a circle over here in this way, and one more circle over here in this way. Now I'll select over here regular polygon. First I'll select inscribed option. I'm selecting the center point over here and go in this direction vertically down, and this is your inscribed circle. The polygon, inscribed polygon, the polygon touches the circle inside. It is within that circle. That is the reason it is called inscribed, within the circle. Next, go with circumscribed. Select the center point and go again vertically down, but this time this polygon which you get will be lying outside the circle. That is a circumscribed circle, touching the circle but lying outside it. Next is by edge method, wherein you can yourself define your own direction. Select the first point and the second point. Wherever you click, you will be getting the polygon in that particular direction. Let me place it over here, and you get the polygon over here. Place it like this and you get the polygon like this. That is nothing but your polygon option. I can also select the number of edges. Instead of 6, let me go with 4. Now you get a square over here. Let me go with 5. You get a pentagon over here in this way. That is how you will be using the place regular polygon option. You can select any of these three methods. You can specify any number of edges. Say I'll go with 8 to get an octagon, and let me select this as a center point, and you can go in this direction or you can rotate it randomly in this way. Okay. That is about your polygons command. Earlier we were seeing how to draw these lines. Whenever we draw these lines, currently the horizontal, currently when you try to draw an inclined line, you will be getting an inclined line. If you go with the horizontal or vertical directions, it will snap to that particular direction, in this way or in this way. It will automatically snap to that particular direction at that specified angle of 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 180 and 270 degrees. But I can also draw it inclined. If I do not want to draw these inclined lines, if I want my line to move only in horizontal and vertical directions, that is, in AutoCAD we refer to this concept as the Ortho Mode, in which you can only go with horizontal or vertical lines. The same option you have over here. Click on this lock icon over here. You can left click, you can right click, and you can left click or right click and select the axis option. When you check this axis option, from now on it will only come either horizontally or vertically. It won't come in any other desired angle. That is your axis option. You can specify this, go over here, specify 150, enter, left click, then zoom in to that direction. That is the 150 units line. Then go vertically, say 45, enter, left click, direction 150, enter and left click. It cannot move in any other direction over here. Select it and click and place it over there. That is about your axis option, which acts like your ortho mode, enabling only horizontal and vertical lines. If you remove this, again you'll be getting the inclined lines as well. Let us stop this session over here.